If you have been struggling or are still struggling to find a consistent forex trading strategy, well, I have been there. In this video, I am breaking down the exact step-by-step strategy that completely changed my trading game from someone who has been consistently become confused and does not have a clear understanding in trading to someone who is now consistently having clear focus and understanding on why price is moving. No fluff, just a full trade breakdown. And also, by the end of this video, you'll be able to do it yourself. So now guys, firstly, what we can see is that we are in a bullish order flow. Price is pushing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then recently, price broke structure lower. This place here that broke structure is a structure break. So price caused a trend change there, signifying bullish order flow. So as we have seen that, what we'll do now is that our buyers is to target this draw on liquidity from the 4-hour time frame. It's called draw on liquidity. So we need to target there. So now drop it to the 15-minute time frame. What we can see is that we had a trend change up here. You remember that our bias is bearish from the 4-hour. So we have a TC up, followed by what? A TC down after some time, followed by a TC down, which means that now we just turned from bullish to what? Bearish. So now that I have turned from bullish to bearish, I will now look for my supply zone to trade short. So this last bullish candle, before this bearish candle lower that left an imbalance, is my supply zone. So now I mark it from the high of the bullish candle to the low of the bullish candle like this. I mark it like that. So that is my supply zone. That is it. As you can see it like that. I will now wait for price to mitigate the supply zone during loadout session from 8 AM to 12 PM, which is the time I trade. But I take account of daylight savings time and standard time. So as price mitigated it, I then drop to my 1-minute time frame to look for my liquidation and entry criteria. So now dropping to the 1-minute time frame, what we can see is that there is no form of structural liquidity at this point. There is no structural liquidity here. No structural liquidity here. You get? So what I will do is that I will look for a fake TC. This is what I call the fake TC. Price broke structure here. This is a break of structure here. Another break of structure here. Then price caused a trend change down here. After a trend change down, price then pushed up and stopped people out because some people were looking to short this place. Some people put out their position to enter like this, stop loss here and like this. But if you notice, they got what? Stopped out. Their stop loss was smashed. So now their liquidity for us. What I then waited for is that after those ones have been, all those retail traders have been stopped out, I now wait for this, then enter at this point. This will be my entry at this point. Enter if price breaks that low, stop loss above, then TP for a 1 to 2. As you can see, price match TP in a matter of minutes. But you can see my draw on liquidity is where? This point. So let's see if to get taken out. But for now, you can see that we are close to the draw liquidity, just a few pips from it. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question concerning the strategy, let me know in the comments below. And please don't forget to subscribe because this strategy is making money consistently. I backtested it and it gave me 58% win rate with a 2 RR. The thing is that I just need money to get funded. If I've get the money, then by God's grace we'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I love you all. Peace.